Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.0% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 3.4% in the last session after rising as much as 4.6% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Scott Sheffield, the chief executive of top U.S. shale producer Pioneer Natural Resources Company, said he worries oil prices could get too high and further roil markets after years of underinvestment in the sector. Monetary policy support in China and hopes that the Omicron variant of COVID-19 would be less severe boosted currency market risk appetite, with the Australian dollar rebounding and the euro heading back towards 2021 lows. Iceland's main power utility is turning away new Bitcoin miners in an effort to reduce commercial energy usage during a hydro supply crunch.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 GMT. The U.S. JOLTS job openings at 1500 GMT. Germany's 10-year bond auction at 1030 GMT. The French non-farm payrolls will be released at 0630 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey, current at 0500 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 0500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.